Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the Xbox app on your PC. If you're experiencing issues with the app, you might see a message saying Xbox services are having issues. This means you might not be able to sign in, or you might get disconnected while signing in. Don't worry, we're here to help you troubleshoot and fix it. Step 1. Check Xbox service status. To start, go to the link provided in the video description to check the Xbox service status. Look for yellow triangles or red circles indicating problems and click them for details. If there are ongoing issues, wait for Microsoft to fix them and refresh the page periodically. If everything is green, follow the troubleshooting steps in the video for a solution on your end. Step 2. Repair or reset the Xbox app. If the service status is fine, let's try repairing or resetting the Xbox app. Type Xbox app in the Windows search box, right-click on the Xbox app, and select Advanced Options. First, click Repair. If that doesn't help, click Reset. If the problem persists, restart the app. Step 3. Uninstall and reinstall the Xbox app. If the repair or reset doesn't work, we can try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Go to Windows Settings, then Apps, and find the Xbox app. Click on it and select Uninstall. Open the Microsoft Store, search for the Xbox app, and reinstall it. Step 4. Update the Xbox app. Make sure the Xbox app is up to date. Open the Microsoft Store, go to Library, and click on Get Updates. Ensure the Xbox app is updated. Step 5. Update Windows. Go to Windows Settings, then Update and Security, and click on Check for Updates. Install any available updates. Step 6. Install Xbox Identity Provider and Gaming Services. Follow the link in the video description to download and install the Xbox Identity Provider. Uninstall and reinstall gaming services by running specific commands in PowerShell as an administrator. Instructions for this are provided in the video description. That's it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the Xbox app issues on your PC. If you have any further questions or need additional help, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.